Welcome everyone to class. I'm Miss Faust. Make sure you have some paper out and a pen or pencil. You may even want to use the paper that you've been using the last few class periods so that you can take some notes for today's assignment. Okay? We are still working on essay writing process. Okay? And you thought we were finished. Well, I'm so sorry. No, we're not. You don't have an actual essay. You just have the skeleton. We need to fill it in. Okay? So that is what we're going to do today. We're going to start filling in that skeleton. So let's move on over here. So follow me. Come on, come on, come on. It's okay. It's all right. Come on over here. So we have our topic prompt. And for me, it was restaurants. And for you, let me check to make sure. Ah, yes, it's animals. Okay. So, what do we do now? What do we do now? We've got the prompt. So we need to move on to our first paragraph. Again, 3 questions. Don't forget, 3 questions and only questions. I keep reminding you because it's very important. We only want to see 3 questions. No sentences, no answers, just 3 questions. Okay. Then we start the body. Here's where you're going to start filling in that skeleton. Give it some meat, okay, and that should be fun. So come on back. So for paragraph 2 started out with, to begin with, restaurants are fun places. In answer to, why do you enjoy going to restaurants? So we have that. So we answered that question. Now we need to do the following. Let's get a pointer. We need to start thinking about reasons why restaurants are fun places. Now note, this answer supports the first question. Why do you enjoy going to restaurants? Which supports the topic / prompt. Again, restaurants. Notice how everything builds on top. One thing, the next thing, the next thing. It's just like a math problem. You learn one step, then you could do the next step, and the next step, same thing. Okay? So we have that. This goes back to the question. Now we need to come up with the evidence, and that is what we call it. When you try to think, when you're starting to think about reasons why, you're coming up with evidence, or another word for it would be proof. What is the proof that restaurants are fun places? And the easiest way to prove it is by using examples. Every day you're using examples. If someone says, oh, that book is good, you're waiting. Why is it good? Person might say, it's very entertaining. It's not that long. Characters are exciting. There's suspense. There's mystery. Okay. It's an easy read. That's what we mean with examples. Examples, again, it's proof. It's evidence. So here is my proof. Just one piece, but it gives you an idea. Please make sure you're jotting this down. People can be very social when they go to restaurants, which goes back to why restaurants are fun places, because you can be social. You can go into a restaurant and yak, 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 to your heart's content. Correct? So that's one reason why. Now you might ask yourself, why does she have length? It goes back to here. Some people are taught a paragraph, and that's what you're trying to do. You are developing a paragraph. So some people are taught, hey, 5 sentences makes a paragraph? Well, it could. It gives the reader a feel. But 5 sentences might not be enough. Perhaps you need 8 to make that point. All this evidence makes the point that restaurants are fun places. So yes, you may hit sentence 5, and I might look and say, whoa, 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 stop. You're not done. You haven't made your point. It still doesn't explain why it's a fun place. So you've got to be very careful. 5 sentences may not be enough. So be very careful with that. Okay. So do you have any questions? The answer, then reasons why. Reasons why in the form of examples. That's one type of evidence. Okay. If you have questions, please contact me. Here's your assignment. I want you to take your essay, okay, on animals. I want to make sure, yes, indeed, it definitely is on animals. On animals. And I want you to go down to paragraph 2. I want you to write the first sentence, and then I want you to write at least 4 or 5 sentences that support that first sentence. So I want you to give me the reasons why. I want to see the evidence, the proof. Again, you can do more than 5. Make the point. Make the point. Whatever you wrote in sentence 1, that's the point you've got to make. Okay? Do you have any questions? That is your assignment for today. So you're doing paragraph 2. That's it, just paragraph 2. When you're done, send it immediately to me. I'm looking forward to these paragraphs. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Till next time. Bye-bye.